now, yeah, let's come to 3D printer filament. And we have a lot. One is PLA, a shining purple color. Yeah, I'm showing you. Just have a look. It's very nice and high quality. And here is it's PLA imitated silk. You can see, wow, the color is quite nice. It's very gorgeous, shining, high quality. Wow, and royal. Wow, very nice, very high quality. Oh, I just love this color a lot. It's PLA imitated silk and PLA marble. Yeah, it's very marble style and very touch, very high feeling, and look high end, look gorgeous. Yeah, very nice. This one is matte silk. Yeah, so it's not very smooth because it's melt. Very nice. Yeah. And here is rainbow. Yeah, PLA rainbow. It's PLA rainbow. Yeah, well, the color is changing, reflect in different lights, and in different angle you can see different color. Wow, this one is very nice. It's not illusion, and it will light bright at night. It's bright at night. Very the darker it is, the brighter it is. Yeah, so very high quality, very nice. It's come to a PLA temperature exchange. It means the different temperature and the color will be different. Lighter is coming. Just see what happened. Change color, right? Yeah. Can? Right? Well, become yellow. Even my hand touch it. You can see the one on my hand is change the color very faster. After my hand lift, it will become to orange again. Yeah, oh, nice. So amazing things. Oh, I can't imagine how it works. Well, here is PLA Plus. PLA Plus is very nice quality. White color, and we have other color also. That's it's all.